A community is where different stories meet, common threads are found, and people support one another to grow. Online communities are no different. If you are the one who brought the community to life, it's your job to make sure it grows without losing its essence and maintain it properly. In the Fluent Community video series, we have covered every possible detail to create a thriving community for your niche people. And if you have made it this far, a huge congratulations. By now you have built your community, managed it like a pro, and maybe even monetized some courses along the way. So today I'm going to bring it all together. In this last chapter, I'll walk you through 5 powerful community use cases from business forums to volunteer networks, and I'll be covering practical ways to grow these communities, maintain a healthy culture as well. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have an overview of growing your community and maintaining it to meet the unique needs of each group. So watch till the end, and who knows, you might end up finding a great idea for your community. And if you look at the renowned brands of recent times, whether it's a tech giants, clothing brand, or consumer goods, the reason behind their success is their loyal users. I'm also a consumer of several products, so this is why I'm starting with the business or brand community. If you can create a community that focuses on connecting clients on a personal level and resolving their issues, you can use this platform for turning them into marketers for the brand. You know, there are lots of ways to provide support nowadays, like email, message, a phone call. But a community stands out because it ensures quicker response, clearer help, and easy accessibility to all. Besides, the customer can clearly see the problems others are facing and solve them all by themselves. In case they are facing the same issue, they are finding a ready solution without even creating a support ticket or even juggling between multiple platforms. The advantages and use cases of such a community are too many to count, but to grow such a community, you need to play smartly. Let's take the customer support example for now. Whenever a client reaches out with a question, think of it as a chance to grow your community. Address their pain point, solve the problem, and then capitalize on the opportunity by sending them to your community forum, or even more effectively, like link them to a live discussion that's already solved that exact issue. If you don't know how to do that, let me show you quickly. The process of copying any post link is pretty straightforward. Just simply open the post and click on the 3 dots right away. You'll see the option to copy the link, so do it and share it with your clients effortlessly. In case you want to create an invitation link to your community and send it to your potential clients, it's also very easy to do. All I need to open any space and move to the members section. First, I need to hit invitations. Okay, so I have 3 options to add members. As a fresh starter, I'll go to the 3rd one. As you can see here I will create an invitation link to the space with invitation link title, and I can also limit the number of users, and I can pick an expiry date. So just like this, once I click on the button, the link will be created, and from there I can share the link with my clients and let them handle the rest. Now they easily visit my community via this link, join if they want, and their word of mouth will help you grow your community automatically. Well, now it's time to explore things from the point of view of an educator. When an educator can offer courses easily using an LMS, a community helps them level up this with learner engagement beyond courses. And with Fluent Community, you can do both. Using its course builder, you can create any kind of course from scratch, like turn your community into a learner hub effortlessly. So the thing that really drew my attention is the dedicated discussion spaces for each courses. Here as you can see, the learners aren't just limited to discussing what they have found interesting in any course or what could make the course better. They're also talking about their plans, even the next course they can take to increase their expertise, and many more. So this is a big plus for you as an educator to plan your next move. You can show them you care about them and leverage this opportunity to create a new course they're talking about. On top of that, you can offer free courses to attract new learners by adding value to their life. Once you are ready, you can start monetizing courses and selling them effortlessly to your learners. So when it comes to growing such a community, to be honest, the discussion feed is a goldmine for attracting a new lead itself. If you have a website or are running an email campaign, simply embed your community link so that they can access it directly. Speaking of email campaigns, another great advantage of creating a community in FluentCommunity is just crisscrossed in my mind. It's seamless integration with FluentCRM. This magical duo makes community management effortless with learner-friendly automation. Let me show them quickly from FluentCRM. If I open the automation section, I will have triggers to create automation whenever a learner enrolls in a course or unenrolls from any course they are currently a part of. In case I don't want to create an automation from scratch and want to enroll them in any course based on any other conditions, so I can do that easily. As you can see, here's a ready automation to kick off. And once the initial action are fulfilled, I want anyone to enroll in a course. So if I click on the plus icon and scroll down here, I'll come across a couple of handy action blocks to simplify the process. I can easily pick the course block and then choose the course that I want people to enroll in. So it's very simple, as you can see. Whether you are a course creator, educator, or running your online business through an LMS, this can be super useful to build and sustain your community effortlessly. So this time I'll go through a professional networking community. These communities are great for building connections with industry experts from relevant fields and learn new ways to tackle problems by sharing real-life experiences. By setting up dedicated discussion space for marketers, IT specialists, and so on, you are giving them an opportunity to grow within themselves. Plus, a shared area for everyone to collaborate means you are crafting a personalized hub just for them. And if you can host a weekly or monthly session like Ask Me Anything with industry leaders, it builds trust and attracts more members to grow the community naturally. Besides, you can run a referral program to grow your community. Like whoever from your community invites 5 or maybe 10 new members to the community will have exclusive access to the exclusive community space. This can help grow your community. But what about maintaining it? Don't worry, I have got you. With the growing number of members, you may find it difficult to maintain everything in these discussion spaces. So let's explore a smart move that can save you from any chaos. If I open any space and go to the members there, I can see all the members of this space. As you can see, the 3 dots besides all profiles allow me to remove a member and change the membership status. So if I move forward with it, I can make anyone from my existing space members space moderator or maybe admin to look after everything. Besides, I can directly add any of my team members to do that. So let's check it out. Okay, so clicking on that will take me to the tab where I can see all the pending invitations. Changing this to new invitee, allows me to add members, and from there I can directly add anyone as a member, moderator, or admin. So let's add one as moderator, and that's how I can individually add moderators for each community space. In case you don't want to add an admin or moderator for specific groups, I have got another amazing way for you. So to explore that, let me open the settings and just move to the managers. Okay, if I tap on Add Manager, I'll need to choose a user and tick a box based on the role I want to give them. Okay, so then I just need to select Add Manager and he will be added. That's how you make your community management a breeze and keep everything in check to ensure your community vibe is strong. Next, I'm going to explore a social networking community. These types of communities usually thrive on passion, creativity, and shared interests. Within a community, I can create dedicated spaces for different interest groups like photographers, artists, and creators. So to make community interactions even more structured around professionals, I can even add multiple spaces in these groups. So in one way, this structure gives members a focused environment to share, learn, and grow. On the other hand, it keeps the community organized with all the like-minded people even as it scales. Growing such a community gets easier when your community members focus on high-value content. On top of that, you can back it up with some useful resources, organize fun events, and keep your community engaged. You are on the path to a vibrant, self-sustaining group. So in case you want to see a friendly competition, FluentCommunity offers you quite a few options to do that. So I'm going to cover two things here. The first one is my favorite leaderboard, and the other one is user badge. As I already have the leaderboard on, I can see it standing right beside the members. So if I open it, I will come across my standing in the community. So it will also tell the story about the interaction of my community over the time period of a week, a month, or all time. And to provide the top performer an extra recognition who is working as the X factor of growing your community, badges can seriously help. So before showing you how, let me just cross-check whether this module is activated or not. I will go to the settings and then open the features and add-ons. As you can see, here is the module is enabled, and I have already created a few badges for my community members. But I can create as many as I need with ease. So the thing is, I want to show you how you can make it work to help your members get the recognition they deserve. So if I get back to my community and open a profile of my community members, I can see the edit options there. So let's tap on it. Okay, so now scrolling down to the admin section, I have got a few options with profile badges. Here I can add any badges to the member I want, and it will be placed beside their name as an extra identity in the crowded platform. So that's how you boost active participation among community members, maintain engagement, and expand your reach to the maximum level in a community. So there are lots of use cases out there, and last but definitely not least, I have got non-profit communities. These communities often consist of small groups from different local areas and donors that help them with the cause and also collaborate to become a part of something bigger. So bringing in the right people makes growing a non-profit community much smoother. So when they actively participate in different activities, share their impact stories, and coordinate with others with full transparency, they speak for themselves and the community grows automatically. And in such community, members come from diverse professions. Keeping everyone equally engaged can be a real challenge. So I have got an effective method to solve these issues. If you visit FluentCommunity's analytics in the overview section, you will find a chart named popular day and time. Okay, so this basically shows you the time frame when your community members post and stay active in the community. This can be super helpful to find the peak hour of community members engagement and shared things to keep everyone in the loop. And in case you are worried about avoiding conflicts, this is just as easy as walking the park. So start by setting some solid rules, make them visible to all, and be clear that everyone's expected to follow them. So whenever someone breaks them, make sure strict actions are taken, and also if someone steps out of line, give them a warning if it happens again, and go ahead and remove them. So it's simple and fair. So just like that, you can grow, maintain, and create a sustainable volunteering network, and also attract donors to keep up the good work. And there you have it. We have just explored how FluentCommunity can be adapted for multiple scenarios using 5 distinct community blueprints, each with its flavor and strategy. So just remember, consistent care, data-driven decisions, and a commitment to a positive environment will help your community thrive in the long run. So which one speaks to you? Are you building a business forum, an education hub, a professional network, or a brand community, or a non-profit group? Drop your ideas in the comments. I'd love to hear what you are creating. And if you found this series helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who is ready to build something incredible. So until next time, keep growing, keep connecting, and keep thriving with FluentCommunity.